Are you a student joining the IEEE PVSC conference? Then you are entitled to enroll for one free tutorial. Did you already enroll? Are you no student anymore? That makes you a lifelong learner. And I invited as well to join one of our tutorials. Please check out and register our tutorials on the website. We offer our participants and students the opportunity to join a tutorial given by the leading expert in our PV community. On Sunday, June 9th, we offer 5 tutorials in the morning and 5 tutorials in the afternoon. Our tutorial chair, Ian Sellers, has selected excellent topics and excellent tutorial speakers. I'm proud to introduce them to you. First, the morning tutorials. Ned Ekens-Daukus and Phoebe Pierce, both from University of New South Wales in Australia, will introduce you to the fundamentals of photovoltaics. This is an excellent tutorial if you're relatively new in the field and want to have a kickstart. Did you already master the fundamentals of photovoltaics? Then join Jean-François Guillemot and Geronimo Buencuerpo from CRS in France in their tutorial on advanced concept, fundamentals on advanced conversion concepts and photonics. They will introduce you to the ultimate performances in photovoltaic conversion. Anastasia Suriadi from the University of Oxford will introduce you to silicon photovoltaic technology. She will give a comprehensive overview of the principles and concepts of the mainstream PV technology in our sector nowadays, silicon. So don't miss that one. Characterization of performance and reliability of lab cells up to commercial PV modules is an art itself. So join the artists Tao Soang and Nikos Kopidakis from NREL USA. They have prepared an excellent tutorial introducing you to performance testing of PV cells and modules. An important trick of going to higher photovoltaic conversion efficiencies is using multiple junctions. Our highly appreciated colleagues from NREL, Miles Steiners and Emily Warren, will guide you through the wonderful world of tandem and multi-junction photovoltaics. During the Sunday afternoon, we are offering another 5 tutorials. As photovoltaics becomes the dominant pillar of the global energy production, we need to discuss the availability of resources, the cost and environmental impact of PV production, modules recyclability and end of life. Join Anik Angtil and Preeti Nain from Michigan State University in their tutorial Sustainability and the Circular Economy for Photovoltaics. Modeling is an important tool in our scientific field to explore new PV concepts. Yoshitaka Okada from University of Tokyo and Stefan Gutnick from Arizona State University will give a tutorial on advanced concepts, experimental progress with new concept in PV and device simulations. Space applications have always been a fantastic driver for innovations in the photovoltaic field. You want to be informed on the latest developments, so join Louis Hurst from University of Cambridge and Ahmad Kirmani from Rochester Institute of Technology in their tutorial Emerging Space Photovoltaics, Unique Semiconductors, Device Designs and Radiation Interaction. Perovskite PV technology is not a new kid on the block anymore. Mind-blowing high performances have been demonstrated in the lab. However, what about outdoor reliability of a commercial product? Kelly Shute and Lara Shalas from NREL will inform you on the latest developments in their tutorial, Extending Metal Halide Perovskite-based PV Lifetimes. Last but not least, on the Sunday afternoon, from development to deployment, PV modeling is a crucial tool. Get started in the PV modeling. Silvana Ovite from NREL and Madison Gears will give you the ideal kickstart in the tutorial PV Systems Modeling with Python, an interactive introduction. So join that one. Summarized, our tutorials cover a large part of the PV knowledge change. You can't wait to join? You can enroll for the tutorials. Go to the conference site and registration. You can enroll for a morning and or an afternoon tutorial. Note, students have one tutorial for free, so take that opportunity. Please visit our conference website at IEEE-PVSC.org, PVSC52, for more detailed information. And looking forward to see you all in Seattle. And don't forget the free tutorial, students.